YouTube, what's going on, man? We're back. Pause that real quick. Gotta let the dog out. Come on. Freaking guy's trying to go for a walk right now, man. Got market open in 29 minutes. I think I am. Ooh. Alright, we gotta get the YouTube chat up, docs. Chat. Up chat, live chat. Alright, let's get this up on IG. Get some music up real quick. Actually, no, we need to get this up on Rail. Get a link. Perks of trying to be successful with content, guys. It's a grind. Live. It doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad. Copy link. My freaking holy cow. Right. That looks better. Okay. Okay, that looks a lot better, dude. That looked pretty trash. Streams live, join up. Moon Memento still making this story. Okay. Got that bit up on Instagram. Let us get some music up. Brother, I can't take you for a walk right now, man. Dang. Can't do it. Not on the cards right now, man. Want me to miss market open? I don't. Not for real. What set do we want to say? Which one? Plus this some interplanetary criminal. I'm going to go outside. You want to go outside? Come on. Now, I'm gonna see if the dog actually wants to go out. Freaking guy, man. The audacity. Alright. Let's do some freaking analysis. Alright. Not much has changed. The infection. Okay, so we're above VWAP. High. Alright. Dude, it's so hard to freaking funnel people into this damn YouTube, man. I swear to God. Alright. Just gonna wait and see if anybody joins, bruh. So, above VWAP, 50%. Push. Not super extended from VWAP, but I look for a break. If I want to go short, I'm probably going to look for a break of this swing low down to VWAP, which that could be like an easy 50-point trade essentially, but that's going to depend. So, gonna watch for longs. This swing high, pre-market high at 7:30. Ooh, Nvidia red. Don't really like that, dude. Don't really like that. All right, let's check the portfolio real quick, shall we? I mean, Nvidia's back up, which is good. Oh shit. I thought I was red on this chevron position. Interesting. Damn, I thought I was red on that. Okay, that makes it better. Total return. Alright. Oh my god. Connor, what are you doing, bro? Because I know it's probably not watching me. What are you doing, Con? Con? I don't know, bro. Tell me, what are you doing? I haven't even looked at news today. News has already happened. Dude, I did that earlier, bro. Great minds think alike. Hey. Hey. Put her there, bro. Put her there. I give you a thumbs up. Yeah, I think as of right now, I'm gonna be bullish. Still proven wrong. Dude, you gotta get that shit checked out, brother. That shit's crazy. Fine. That's crazy work. I'm on number 5. What? I've already gone to the gym this morning, dude. Right. And I got the coffee going and the candle going. Shit. It's aight. It's aight. Yeah, dude, I think right now I'm probably gonna try to continue streaming because I'm trying to get this YouTube channel to grow. Yeah, I might start looking at PCs on Marketplace too, because I think my cousin will be here end of next month. So I don't know. We're gonna see. I don't really know if I want to buy used. Only if I find like a really good deal. But yep. Cause I want to be able to dual monitor this shit. Alright. So I want to be able to use my monitor from downstairs with that bitch vertical. So that I can probably have like this this chat up on that. Or Discord or something. Yeah, I know it'll be cheaper. I'll probably see how it is. Because I know people build them and then sell them too. So trust you'll find one. Yeah, I'll probably find one. I gotta have the what's the word? Not notarized, notarizer person. You're the notary. That's where you are. The word I was trying to think of. You're gonna be the person that certifies this whole thing. Ooh. Yo, how's the music though? Is the music too low? Add me in the chat, bro. Add me in the chat. Plus, I'm trying to get this PC so that my mic quality can go back to being good. Because this monitor takes up too much power from my laptop. Alright, so we're back below the 9. We're gonna see what happens. Will the music be good if I turn it up a little bit? Because yesterday when I was listening to the stream, it was low. It was super low. Next thing you know, bro's trying to go on TikTok live. Okay, I turned it up a little bit. How was that? Is it too much? Yes, no? This current spot, it's good right now. Because my SoundCloud's at half volume. I'm also talking louder than what I was yesterday. Absolute specimen of a guy. Sounds okay. We're keeping it there. We're keeping it there, alright? Yo, so this Claude portfolio is actually kind of printing slowly. It had me buy Google on Monday morning. And Google ripped after earnings yesterday. So W in the chat, bro. Oh. Yeah, I might be trying to short down the VWAP to get a break below this pre-market swing low at 740. Just gonna stay patient though. I need to get support back up there. Oh. Okay. Yo, did you crash out yesterday? Yesterday? No, 2 days ago. You crashed out 2 days ago? That way you're training by yourself now? Kind of my assumption. Alright, man, we got 10.5 minutes. Yeah, I kind of figured once you sent that text. Kind of figured. Go get a bag. Not worried. Yo, it'd be fucking cool if Lucid could give me a damn code though, bro. Regard! That's the thing too, like most people don't understand the brand aspect behind like running your own content. Which I wish most people knew and understood that. Because like since I've been working with Top One and being able to like talk with all the affiliates, bro, I've been missing a bag. Oh, I don't know if I'd say bag, but like I've been definitely missing like some passive income, bro. But we'll see. I think once I get a payout with Lucid, it'll be a little bit more credible. So we're gonna find out. Also, haven't heard anything back from Tradeify, so I don't really think that's. We're gonna check the. Let me check my email real quick. Yeah, I ain't got anything from Top or oh, that's Yep, I ain't heard shit from fucking Tradify yet. I don't know, dude. I feel like I got this BS thing, like automated response from Lucid, saying that like their, was it like their affiliate team is like closed, or they don't have enough space. So I don't know, man. I feel like part of that's just because I don't have a payout with Lucid yet. But like at the same time, big creators have fucking codes to every prop firm pretty much. But that's why I'm trying to get back on my YouTube shit, because I want to start being able to like grow it and then slowly monetize my stuff, because like I can definitely reach 10K on Instagram before summer actually starts, I think. So what is that, like June sometime? But we'll find out, man. Yo, Claude's actually been so helpful too. It's made some like pretty cool graphics for me. Like the one I used on my story this morning, where it says New York AM session live trading. I did like some trial and error runs with Claude, and I got that one pumped out. I think that's that should be the front page of this stream, I think, like if you go see it on my YouTube account. So I'm gonna have to format it to fit a YouTube thumbnail though. I don't think it's formatted right. But find out. Doesn't look bad. I think I just gotta reformat a little bit. Yeah, it took me a solid like 10-15 minutes just kind of like talking with Claude. Yeah, I think for now I'm gonna stick with it, but in the meantime I'm gonna work with Claude a little bit, because I've been thinking about trying to get like my profile picture in that somehow, which the first one that Claude gave me was actually animated and it looked fucking sick. Like the live logo in the top left, the recording button was like flashing and it looked really sick, but I couldn't save it on my phone or my laptop as like an animated photo. It was like a HTML, and then I had to fucking convert it to like a PNG file, and then that fucking file was too big for me to use on OBS, so I had to change it to like a JPEG photo. I think I'm also going to try to include the date somewhere, so I'm probably going to try to like update these every day. Fucking no, I'm not doing that, bro. That's going to be way too many images and saving on my laptop. Alright, we're holding below the EMA, so we could retrace back to this VWAP. Yeah, it's actually kind of insane like how many people had been asking me like how I trade this, or trade off of like the 9 EMA and VWAP. I'm having a lot of people. Yo, I could catch a banger down to VWAP. think I might be looking for an entry like shortly after market open, potentially. We're just gonna wait and see though. Oh man, I'm telling you, man, if this candle flips red and breaks this support here. 15-minute, thank God. We're gonna just see, man. Looking like we want to retrace. You're good, bro. You're good. Catch you later, bro. Alright guys, so what I'm seeing, we got literally like a minute and a half before market open. Currently the 5-minute time frame is holding below this 9 EMA. We had a pretty displacing 5-minute candle break that 9 EMA. And then we're about to have 3 consecutive candles hold this 9 EMA below it. Ideally, what I would look for if I was going to take a trade was a break through this support level on the 5-minute time frame, which it's at 27,497 on NQ. And then I think I'm going to try to short close to VWAP. Because the 5 minutes a little extended from VWAP. And I could be wrong, and the 15-minute just taps its 9 EMA and then continues higher, but buying pressure looks like it's starting to slow up. If we get like a decent close here, I might actually look. Yeah, man, this is going to be tough. Yeah, I'm not taking this. There you go. Yep. Yeah, it was a hard judgment call right there, I can't lie. Really hard. Would have been my trade. But we're going to see what happens off VWAP. Yeah, this would have been my trade right here. Gonna stay patient. Ideally, I'm looking for price to come back to this VWAP and retest it. Damn. What did I just tell you, man? That would have been a snipe. Main reason why I did not take this. I didn't like how indecisive this candle was right before market open, and market open's pretty unpredictable. So we're just gonna watch and see what happens with price around the VWAP. Unless we're trying to short all the way down here, bro. Like, are we joking? Damn, dude. Yeah, that would have hit consistency on this trade. I would have made like 1,500. This is just market open though. We got a lot of time in this session still, so we're just gonna wait. Wait and watch. I called that though, man. Got about 2 minutes left on this candle. Gonna wait and watch. Because if we continue higher, I want to watch how price closes around this VWAP. I don't know, this could keep bleeding though, low key. On the 15-minute. Yeah. Yeah, this is probably gonna keep going. Told you. Oh my god, bro. I'm 134 point move off open. Oh, God, you love to see it. We're gonna stay patient though, dude. It's only the first 5 minutes of market open. A lot more stuff can happen. That's crazy though, man. I would have sniped this whole candle. Dude, imagine if you took this on a live account. Oh my god. Ugh. 157 points is just... That's absolutely insane. Now this is probably going to retrace a little bit, possibly. Kidding. Yeah, looks like a strong support level. This could retrace back to this EMA, or sorry, VWAP. I might look to take a short. It's gonna be tough though. We just took out these lows on NQ. Those could go back up. Come on, load. Damn, dude. This might keep going. No shot this goes from... Oh my god, this might keep going. Got a minute, 22 seconds. Yeah, man, that short would have printed. It's unfortunate, but move on. Might get smoked here. Just looking for a continuation trade down. Just want this to keep going. 15-minute looks really bearish. Not going to be a good sign if this candle comes like down here and then comes all the way back up. I want to see this thing keep going. 15 minutes moved all the way down here. I might as well just keep going because Asia low is literally all the way down here. I might take a loss. All right, we're gonna reevaluate here. Yep, so. It's Wade and Washington.
And they may call it house because it's not a serious production or has to be planned, just how you feel. When you want to say something, just say it. Like if you want to say, freedom, I do believe in freedom. Freedom. Yeah, something like that. I guess it's just a new form of
Milo, stop, please.
And so many people have picked up on it because, like I said, it's just simple.
Yes, yeah, it's a really good thing I didn't answer there. Thank you. Freaking loading. No. Yes, is gone. Gonna wait. I want to see this come back up here. Or it's gonna keep going. Really want to see this dude, I really want to see this retrace like back up to like the top of this wick. Because once this candle closes, it's gonna drag this EMA down, and then I really think it's gonna come back up here, possibly tap this, and then keep going. So I'm just gonna stay extremely patient. I want you to come back up here, dude. Because it looks like it's going to. I think I'm gonna look for the entry somewhere in the $370s, possibly $380s on NQ. I know you want to, man. Just do it. Or we're gonna continue. Man, I really want to see this come back up and just like tap this EMA one time before it continues. But I don't think we're gonna get that to happen. Yeah, it's gonna keep going. Damn, bro. Hey. Yeah, this 15-minute looks like it wants to keep going. Oh, I know, it's so rough, Milo. No. Oh, I didn't know. On what side? Sorry, I'm locked in. I don't know if there's anybody watching this, but I'm just locked in. I'm not talking so much, I'm just concentrating. Okay, I'm taking another shot. No way, bro. The market makers are hunting my stop loss, dude. I'm telling you. You really mean to tell me you're not going to continue going down, dude? That's such a bearish candle. Got Asia low down here. If I get cooked today, I get cooked, but like I really feel like this is gonna keep going. Just need to see this candle keep going, man. It's been open for almost 2 minutes, or it's been open for over 2 minutes. Yeah, I might get cooked here, guys. Okay, this is what I was looking for. Yes, what I was looking for. Alright, my stop's gonna be a little bit over my break even. No way this goes all the way back up to my break even, right? No way. No shot, right? That's tough. That's crazy, man. Alright. Gonna wait. Took a pretty standard loss and a slight break even, so I'm just gonna wait and see if there's anything else worth taking today. Risk it for the biscuit and put a buy limit at this support level. Probably not gonna happen. Oof. Not good. Video dropping off, that's not good. I'm in it for like a inversion. Easy long. Dude, no way. I'm just surprised we never got a tap on this 9. To be honest. Big move down. Never got a tap on the 9 EMA. Damn, stream's been up for an hour already. Sheesh. There are 5 people watching this bitch, bro. Where the fuck are you guys at in the comments, bro? Come on. Talk to me, man. Talk to me. Be like, Drew, did you eat breakfast? No, I did not eat breakfast yet. Oh, man. Yeah, bro, that's insane. Jesus Christ, bro. How did I know it was you, man? You got soft hands, brother. You got soft hands. I don't trade IFEGs, bro. I don't do that. That was more so a joke when I was talking earlier. I don't do that. Just kind of waiting for something to happen. We got a really big move down on NQ in the past. Almost 30 minutes has kind of been eh. So, waiting for something to happen. Because what could happen? We got hourly support here. So, this 5 minute could keep dragging this 9 EMA down if it keeps just like stair stepping down. And VWAP could just coast, creating some separation between the two, and then could maybe catch a long back up to VWAP. So I'm just kind of waiting. You're golfing right now, Thomas? What a guy. What a guy. Oh. It's a good thing I went break even there because I would have got stopped out. So the reason I don't think that's going to happen, if ES wanted to have gone up there, which I don't think this is going to happen during AM session, could happen during PM session, but 15-minute closed, extremely aggressive to the downside, crossing back over VWAP after pre-market got back over VWAP. So I think it's going to be a matter of time before this hourly support breaks. Then we see some of these lower targets get hit. Like this is Tuesday's AM low, yesterday's PM low, so some pretty good targets. Just watching, man. Waiting for something to happen. Taking 2 trades already for today, a loss and a break even, so I'm just kind of waiting. Like I said earlier, I'm on a valuation trading on prop firms right now, so I'm not going to try to force another trade unless I see something worth taking, because I don't normally take 3 trades, but just trying to be a little aggressive to pass this evaluation. So but waiting, man, waiting. Reason I'm not shorting, like I said, has been an extremely strong support level. Like, look what happened yesterday. Or this was overnight. Came down in the hourly time frame, tapped this support level, and immediately rocketed back up. So we're waiting. Why is Nvidia bleeding as much, man? Not good. Am I tripping, or does Nvidia have earnings this week? No, yeah, I'm tripping. They're manipulating the market. I knew it. Yo, you guys buying those Roblox calls, bro? Got earnings today. Hit you up on those calls with Roblox. Or you guys could fucking do Reddit. That would be insane. I'm kidding. Don't do that. Yeah, so what I talked about, EMA is still being dragged down. Prices very steeply stair-stepping down. And we're finding support near this level again. So like I said, VWAP is kind of just coasting down. It's not aggressively selling off. So like what I could see, we keep going, consolidate down here a little bit, and then we break the 9 EMA going back up, and then breaking like some sort of swing high could target something like this back towards VWAP. But we're gonna waiting. So we gotta remember. I was a little too antsy right here. These couple of trades, should have waited. Yeah, like if the market wanted to move lower, hourly time frame would have closed below this. And it would have been even more conviction if it closed below this swing low right here, which was the previous swing low. So we are waiting. I might need to piss real quick, dude. Yeah, BRB, I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. Be back in like 60 seconds. Yeah, look at that. Also, another reason why you should not have shorted or longed that IFVG. Even if you put out the swing low, you still would have been stopped out, and that is a massive stop loss. Plus, IFVGs are inconsistent. They're not as consistent as they used to be, so edge decay with fair value gaps and inversions are, I think they're slowly on the decline. That's why I don't trade them anymore. Like if there's still people in here, like I used to trade ICT for like a full year, and I worked so hard trying to learn ICT and the concepts behind it, and I found some success with it, but it wasn't anything consistent. Just watching. I'm not gonna be like, oh my god, we're breaking the support level, I gotta go short. No. Don't do that. I'm gonna wait for a long back up the VWAP. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I've backtested before, and it's actually worked pretty well. You just gotta wait. It's only 45 minutes into this session. And I got like another 45 minutes before I hop off. So, a lot could happen in 45 minutes. Bro. I'm in Google. Why did I say it like that? Google. Oh my god, why is Nvidia dropping this? Brother. Interesting, man. That's interesting. Sick. Could be a potential sweep to go higher. Possibly. Yeah, see, price isn't really moving as fast as it was. Like, I moved nearly 200 points in 10 minutes. What has it done since then? Well, brother, you gotta realize, market open, we dumped 200 points in 10 minutes. Yeah, it's probably gonna consolidate for a little bit. That's why you wait. Have some patience. Like, yeah, we've moved another 200 points, but that took 1, 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 40 minutes. So we moved 200 points in 10 minutes, and then another 200 points in 40 minutes. So yeah, it's probably going to slow down after a 200 point move in 10 minutes. That's why you sit on your hands until something happens, which, realizing that's what I should have done, because this candle right here would have been my trade for the day if I entered up here. But I didn't, and I move on. That's why I'm waiting, because from what I've backtested, when there gets to be some separation between VWAP and the EMA that I have on, the 9 EMA, if price breaks either way, so like in this circumstance, like if we get a pretty bullish candle breaking this 9 EMA, like after we plateau a little bit, and then start to see this EMA flatten out a little bit, like I mentioned, if we break like some relative swing high back to the upside, we could see price come back up and retrace back to this VWAP. That's why I'm waiting. Because like you do not want to trade this. And like I mentioned before, we're at a support level. I don't care about this candle right here. It doesn't mean anything. What happened? We immediately displaced higher. And that's why I trade the 5-minute time frame, because it allows me to think through my decisions. Instead of being like, oh shit, I have 60 seconds to make a decision. I got usually 4.5 minutes before I got to make a decision, right? Gives you time to make a decision. See, like, look here. Where do you want to go? Trying to find a good example. So like, look here. This is a good example. So price trended down below this EMA, right? This support level was still in play. Yeah, we got it back above it, but realistically, we didn't come down to this support level yet. So we kept trending down lower, and then we started to plateau just a little bit. We got a candle that barely broke it, and then a very displacing candle back to the upside that clearly broke the 9 EMA, right? Came back down, retested this EMA. We got another bullish candle off of this EMA, holding it as if bullish structure had come back into play. So like, could have entered here. The maximum stop loss I do is a 25-point stop loss. And then for consistency on this valuation, 75-point TP. Would have hit. Because what do you see? VWAP was starting to plateau. EMA was steadily dropping, creating space in between VWAP and the 9 EMA. And what do you see? We eventually came back up and retested the VWAP. So that's what I'm waiting for. Like, I'm cool if we keep consolidating right here. And then we have this 9 EMA slowly come down, maybe a little more, plateau a little bit, and then we start to see some bullish structure, something like this, or even like that, after this EMA starts to come up, like that. Like I said, that's what I've back tested. That's what I've seen work. That's been some of the best setups that I've seen. So. And since we're waiting, just for anybody who wasn't here during pre-market, that's not even the right level. So this is what I was seeing right before market open, and I wish I would have taken this. Yes, you do need patience in these markets. Why I'm emphasizing it so hard. So pre-market high was right here. This candle wick. This was also a resistance level. This is what I saw right before market open, which I really wish I would have taken this. Trusted myself. But good enough. All right. So 5-minute time frame, displacing candle, nice big full candle back to the downside, breaking the 9 EMA, right? We had a couple of consolidation candles under this EMA, holding this to the downside. Another wick back up, and then right before this candle closed, we got some movement back to the downside, breaking this intraday support level. And what do you see? Price was a little extended from VWAP right before market open. So this should have been the trade that I took today. And what do you see? Market open, we immediately came back down to VWAP, even broke it, and we're down at the support level now. So it works. You just got to be patient. And I wasn't super patient here. So that's why I'm just sitting here. And I'm looking at this heat map a little bit, because I'm in Google right now, but next to Apple right here, you got NVIDIA. It's down 4%, and I'm in NVIDIA. Like my biggest holding right now in one of my portfolios. Not good. Which I'm surprised Amazon's down because it beat earnings. And Microsoft. Like, I've pretty much lost all the gains that I got from it. Yo, and to piggyback up on that comment you made about needing patience in these markets, that's also why I trade the 5-minute. Helped me with my patience. I do not trade the 1-minute anymore. I don't get the conviction like I do in the 5-minute. A 1-minute candle does not mean nearly as much as a 5-minute candle close. Like, you would need X, Y, and Z for like conviction behind trading on 1 minute, personally. That's why I don't trade the 1-minute. So that's just me. But I kind of want to see this VWAP kind of like start to plateau a little bit, like it did here, and create a little more separation between the EMA. So I kind of want to see this EMA come down a little more and create some clear separation between the two, because then that would set up really good for like a long back up to VWAP after we consolidate down here for a little bit. and then start to break back above this, and then we get like EMA start to come back up. We keep trending up and up and up and up, back up to this VWAP. Oh, I was like, damn, I think I just split my lip. Nope. No, I don't look at ES. It's easier for me to just focus on one thing. I know the two are correlated and move roughly the same because I used to trade them both for a long time. But it's easier just to concentrate on one thing instead of looking back and forth. Yeah, like what I tell you, plateauing right here. EMA is starting to plateau a little bit. We're gonna wait. Like, what do we see? Selling pressure started getting exhausted right here. It looks like some buying pressure start to come back into the market. Yeah, you just write out some simple rules for yourself and stick to it. Like, I know you probably hear that from a lot of people, especially from social media, but like, it's really true. And you also need to have consistent risk management, like trading with consistent size. Figure out what you're comfortable with. Like, I'm comfortable trading with one mini, that's why I do it. It allows me to have a little bit of breathing room in my stop loss. Yeah, and the point of a fund it is to pass it aggressively. Like, that's the whole marketing behind prop firms. But at the same time, you also need to be comfortable. So. All right. Give me like 2 seconds. I gotta go do something. I'll be right back. Stand back. Yo. Big up Man City and Arsenal, bro. Even though I don't support either one. We got a off to my left up here. I got a scarf collection. I say a collection. There's only 1, 2, 13 of them. Yo, these came straight from the source too. Shit, let me. We got GBP up on the price right there, boy. Hopefully you can. This is the team though. That's the team, St. Louis City. I still fuck with teams from the EPL though. Soccer's my ting, my sport, bro. So is baseball though. Really, you're gonna break lower here? Oh, I think he's got a new set actually. Shit. Damn, bro, I'm trying to find something. Damn. Yo, I don't know if you're still in here, but I'd say to follow up again, like with over trading. I don't know like what your outside life is outside of trading, but work on like your routine every day. And if you don't have a routine, start structuring it. Because then it'll keep you accountable with the things that you do. So I'm also hungry as shit right now. You're really gonna break through this, bro? Really? Interesting. Where is that set? Damn, nothing like. This 5-minute break doesn't mean anything down here. There's no significance. I would need a higher time frame to break this support level. Like, I would probably need like the hourly to break through this. Because like 15 minutes been through it plenty of times. 15-minute break doesn't really mean anything. I need like the hourly or 4-hour to break through this. Great song. Absolutely spectacular. What do you mean? Kind of unfortunate for having us. What do you mean? I'm starving right now. I mean, bro, like, the open price action was good. Like, I don't really think any of this price action has been bad. You just gotta have the patience to stick through consolidation phases of price action. Like, that's what you gotta work on. And you have to understand, after a big move, more likely than not, price will slow down and turn into consolidation. That's why I think trading mechanically isn't the best. Like mech model, ICT, smart money concepts. Damn, dude. Where we go? I would backtest it first just so I can get used to it. I wouldn't go start trading it like on a funded or anything.
Welcome to the S'mores support group, a place for those who can't make s'mores.
And like, I'm still
Hi, I'm John.
getting used to this. Like,
My marshmallows always end up looking like
this whole
Hi, I'm
VWAP and 9EMA is still fairly new to me, if I'm being honest. So like,
Shake it out and it fell
yeah,
on
it's probably gonna take me a minute to like actually start trading it really well.
They
But
turn s'mores into drinks with the S'mores cream cold brew, ice s'mores latte, and s'mores blend.
so like, here's a bullish break on the 9EMA right here. Like, this could just be a simple forward test. but I'm probably going to wait for some more confirmation before I take a trade. Like, I want to start seeing if price is going to hold this 9 EMA. And then if we get like a small move up, followed by like a couple bearish candles holding this EMA, and then another bullish candle, yeah, I'd probably take it. But now that the 5-minute is back over this EMA, I'm going to see if it wants to hold it. Because 15-minute looks like it wants to retrace back to its EMA and VWAP. So I'm just going to wait. Told you, man. I don't know if you're watching this, but I told you. I'd already be break even here. Probably have my stop like up here if I took this. So it's probably going to keep going. I don't really know if I'd say it's aggressive because we've had 40 minutes of consolidation and selling pressure's like been non-existent. So we got a very bullish displacing candle breaking the 9 EMA higher. I wouldn't really say that's aggressive. Kind of being able to understand what's happening currently. And then we're also trying to break this support level. Like if we get something like this over here, bullish candle, couple of retraces. Like this will probably go hit 75 points. Yeah, I see the vision. VWAP is like a really important reference point because price trades either to VWAP or through VWAP all the time. And then I use the 9 EMA as a conviction point. Plus, like I was talking about, we had that hourly support level right here. So we got a bullish break of that 9 EMA. So I'm not really surprised that this is playing out like this forward test, but I might actually look to take this shortly. because these higher time frames could easily just get sent back higher after coming back down and continuously holding this 4 level. Hey, if you take this with me, it's on you. It's not on me. You took the trade with me. That's all I'm saying. So if it's a loss and you're taking it on a funded account, it's on you.
I may be wrong, but it just seems to me that as we all did years ago, because we were all in that groove, everybody, at least I think I tried to do it as a variety performer, you start to weed out.
That forward test printed.
And there's nothing but just this. Right. And you doing it, she does it, he does it as an actor.
See, you also have to have the know with all to be able to like comfortably take a forward test too. Like, do I wish I would have taken that? Sure. Now, am I happy that I saw this trade? Yeah. But I mean, I only have 5 minutes, or I have 7 minutes left before I actually get off because I don't trade past 10 a.m. So I probably won't be taking anything anymore. Probably just gonna take my loss and break even for the day. Yep. Banger. Bang. That's 100 points right there. Probably gonna go hit VWAP. Yeah. Got chopped up right here, but it's unfortunate. Damn, dude, I almost been streaming 2 hours. Ugh. See what I tell you. We came back to view up. I've seen it a bunch of times. All right, man. I'm gonna be getting off here. Got other stuff I gotta do today, so it's Friday. Yep. First of the month. All right, unfortunate day. Got chopped up a little bit, but let me turn this freaking music down. But yeah, unfortunate day. I was a little impatient after I missed this this short right here. So we move on from it. We'll probably get it back tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. Other stuff I gotta do. So hope you guys had a good day in the markets. But I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning for live trading again. So all right.